Hello, hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Link, and today I am showing you 5 healthy snack packs that you need to have. So I don't know about you, but I love to snack. And having healthy snacks handy can be challenging sometimes, but I have some really good things that you can throw together to be on track and on the go. Let's go. So what you'll need for these snack packs, you'll absolutely need some containers. I literally got a huge thing of these at Walmart for like $10. And then from there, you kind of get to just mix and match some things that you want. So I'm gonna go through 5 different ones today that I love, that are super freaking easy, super clutch for us gals on the go. So those are just 5 very simple, very easy on-the-go snacks that you can just toss in a bag and get on the go. So if you love this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a video from me, and let me know in the comments that you want more of these, you enjoy these, or what exactly you're looking for. Enjoy!